Motorhead Garage, presented by NHOU Protective Coatings, is brought to you by Magic Creeper, the most versatile creeper ever. Gear America, the last recovery gear you'll ever need. Top Coat, don't just coat it, top coat it. And by Cutting Edge Automotive Solutions, the exclusive importer for SP tools in the United States.
You know, when you're surfing the interwebs, you're being barraged by all kinds of products for your car, and I see Tribotex all the time, Pasha. How do I know it works?
I would say you compare what other people say about us. NASA, National Science Foundation, Air Force, military applications. You can't find any other company that have so much praise from these very credible places. This is all big things. Even getting one of those would make somebody happy through the roof. We got several of them and we keep growing in this space. For us, car applications, this is labor of love. This is what we love to do every day. But in reality, the most of our revenue comes from defense applications, comes from extending longevity of the ground support equipment, or generators, or tanks in the military, where every single day costs often more than whole car at the consumer market.
So I know if NASA and the military are keen on it, it's going to work for me.
Yes, certainly we simplify it, consumer edition, so it is not just safe, but easy to apply, and you don't have to think much about how it's going to work. You just put it in, wait for 500 miles, and you will see the difference that's going to astonish you.
What are some of the things the military folks say about Tribotex?
We have a bunch of reviews online straight from the military folks, but one of the peculiar things that we heard over and over, that it's such an universal technology that they hadn't seen before.
A lot of people just put like a little quote here or there, but you guys really go all out. You can see the whole report on your website, which I thought was really remarkable.
Yes, some of the reports are still not public, but the ones that we are already published are quite remarkable.
Well, those are some of the most important and the biggest labs in the world, and also another really important one is your users, folks that are using Tribotex saying how good it is, and if you're not satisfied, they will give you your money back. Check them out at tribotex.com and improve your ride.
Time now for the lowdown with Magic Creeper.
You can see us here on the show extolling the virtues of the Magic Creeper, and yes, I've told you we do use it here in the studio. I've sent it to a few friends and they love it as well, but do not take our word for it. Yes, we know Magic Creeper is a sponsor of the show, so if you go online to Magic Creeper's website, you find lots of great reviews here. Libby wrote in, she said, "This has been the best purchase ever. My son is using his on his big truck, and my husband says it's invaluable in the auto repair business, so very pleased with this purchase. Folks at home are using it, folks in professional shops are using the Magic Creeper as well." Joyce says her husband's very pleased with the Magic Creeper. She ordered two, one for her son-in-law and one for her husband. The son-in-law is a school bus mechanic and he works out in the field most of the time, so the Magic Creeper is great for that. She says it keeps his clothes from looking like he rolled in the dirt. And her husband's been using a large piece of cardboard like all of us have when you go to a car show and you're hanging out with your buddies, throw a piece of cardboard under there, that's all you've got. Well, try the Magic Creeper. It's a huge improvement over a piece of cardboard, I guarantee you that. Peter says it is magic. That is correct. He uses it under his classic Chevy truck, and he says he loves it. It works great, easy to move in and out. He's 65 years old, weighs 240. Says that he's broken a couple of creepers that say they're rated at 300 pounds, but the creeper is so much more durable than that. It will not break under any weight, and it'll still move with about 1,000 pounds on it, so you don't need to worry about being able to slide around on the Magic Creeper. And Chad said he's a first-time user, and the Magic Creeper is amazing. Effortless movement under the vehicle, and it works just as they say. Do not take our word for it. Like I said, get yourself a Magic Creeper. Check it out at magiccreeper.com. Buy one for yourself. You're also going to want one as a gift or two, so check them out. That is going to do it for this edition of Motorhead Garage. We thank you for tuning in. If you, by the way, have created a product that you want to see on Motorhead Garage, email Jeff at masterstv.com, and you can be right here in our studio. We hope you join us when we do it once again next week, and from our entire crew here, we'll see you next time on Motorhead Garage, presented by NHOU Protective Coatings. So long.